Stainless steel. Stainless steel mixing bowl set. Our 14-piece mixing bowl set includes 6 stainless steel mixing bowls, 3/4, 1.5, 3, 4, 5, and 8-quart large mixing bowl, to accommodate all your kitchen prepping, mixing, cooking and baking needs. The only real large bowl that can hold 8 quarts. Exclusive features. Our stainless steel mixing bowls feature accurate laser-etched markings on the inside and outside for easy cooking. The flat base keep the metal bowls sturdy, and rolled rims make it easier to pour ingredients. Designed to nest into each other for easy storage. Dishwasher safe as well. Great mixing bowls for kitchen, great for prepping ingredients in advance. Our metal mixing bowls are fridge and freezer safe, saving you time and hassle. Our mixing bowl set is crafted with durable, rust-proof stainless steel, and feature an elegant, brushed finish that won't show fingerprints or stains. Measuring spoons and cups includes 4 stainless steel measuring cups in sizes 1/4, 1/3, half, and 1 cup. And 4 metal measuring spoons in sizes 1/4, half, 1 teaspoon, and 1 tablespoon, and feature easy markings. They are attached to a removable ring and nest inside each other for compact storage. Top reviews from the United States. Great quality and look. I am moving into a new house and bought this set for myself. It basically has all the mixing bowls you will ever need in this one set. Comes with measuring cups and spoons. I love the stainless steel look to them. Nice quality, and I don't see a reason they would not last a lifetime.